And speaking of both Laura and Marco, we do have that tropical update there for you. Now, again, Marco is now downgraded to a tropical storm, but still expected to be a rather strong system as it approaches the Louisiana coastline here as you get in towards tomorrow. Let's take a look specifically at the tropical storm Marco. Really kind of getting what we call eaten away by upper level wind shear, but still packing quite a punch at 70 miles an hour. 75 is hurricane strength, so just below that. But it is expected to make a kind of a left-hand turn here as we get towards tomorrow. But really kind of skimming the coastline of Louisiana before it moves in towards Houston. But it's really, you got to remember, it's the northern right-hand quadrant of these storms that are the worst, and that's what produces that tornado. So something to think about as it moves back in towards Texas. Now, the bigger storm we're worried about is a tropical storm Laura. Obviously, also looks like it could affect up near the Houston area as well, something we're keeping a very close eye on. Expected to get into the Gulf of Mexico sometime Tuesday morning before it does make that turn to the north. Now, whether it's a little bit further off to the west or a little bit to the east, it does look like it's going to be a rather strong storm, possibly as strong as a Category 3 as it makes that turn. So something we're going to be keeping an eye on for our friends off to the north. Now, tonight here in the valley, I don't have to worry about anything too crazy. We're looking at just partly cloudy skies, 76 degrees for us. Now, waking up tomorrow morning, still going to be in the 70s. Just a humid start, about 78 degrees there by the 8 o'clock hour. Going to heat up, though, about 93 degrees tomorrow. Watching those sea breeze showers again tomorrow, kind of similar to what we saw today. And if you're on the island as well, looking about 87 degrees, though. We are noticing, though, that rip risk picking up to that moderate range, plus the surf picking up, especially with the tropical systems moving into the Gulf. We do expect that. It's all that big bathtub. Got to go somewhere with those waters. So something we are going to be keeping a very close eye on in that regard. Now, we are looking at, again, that threat for maybe some sea breeze, pop-up showers as you get in towards tomorrow afternoon. Again, there they are about 3 o'clock, though they're already kind of fizzling out by 5 o'clock. And kind of very similar conditions expected for us on Tuesday as well. Those sea breeze showers into the afternoon hours. I'm not expecting anything widespread, big rainfall accumulation. It's going to be kind of those pip and pops, little pop-up showers expected over the next 2 days, and then we'll forget about it. Well, rain chances go down to nothing Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we do expect that until then, as we are going to be going into what we call the western side of these tropical systems, the dry side, the hot side, and we're going to see that in the temperatures as well. And look at those. Feels like temperatures 110, 111. This is the valley average. You get up towards Starr County, expect even higher than that. So very hot conditions expected towards the end of the week. Again, why is that? Well, we're going to be on the western side of things. That's where that sinking air is, the hot air is, really all the wet weather going to be to our north and towards our east. So really going to be drying out, not affecting too much by the rain of these tropical systems, but we'll definitely get some heat. And there it is again in that 7-day forecast as again looking at those hot temperatures towards the end of the week.